It's not gonna be long. I just want to make this like video for your YouTube channel, because I thought it would be cute. Listen, I'm coming into a new era, babes. Like all the God. My old videos that I make is tapering down that type of, I don't want to say content or editing. Like obviously it's still gonna be makeup, beauty, fashion, all that. But it's just I'm getting more mature with my content and I'm finding out my style and my oomph, what makes me, my energy with my passions. And I'm gonna incorporate that more into my YouTube channel, like full force, instead of just like when I was younger. Like I was okay, what up? Like I would do YouTube videos for fun, but like it fit my personality then. And then I got older and I realized that's not my style really anymore. And it's it's a new style, but it's kind of like that, but it's just a more mature version. Anyhow, anyhow, I just wanted to say, listen, if you're into beauty, if you're into unique editing, funny being, you need a good laugh. I'm your girl. Beauty, fashion, traveling. I'm here. That's all I gotta say. Oh my gosh, what if you cannot hear this? I think you can hear this. I don't know if I have to have a speakerphone for this. Anyhow, I'm gonna like insert a couple of clips of me, dancing, having the time earlier in the next few clips. Enjoy. I did a makeup look, and you probably can't really see it much because the lighting and the quality, but I'll probably insert some pictures as well from the makeup look. Love ya. So excited to see this new chapter. Like I really had this energy before like clicking this video, making this video. I really had the energy like things are truly about to change. Not my toe being in the camera. No free foot content.
Not on my watch. Not on my watch.
Change coming. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I can't explain how I know some stuff, but I know some stuff. Things coming into my life, and it's gonna be another type of motherfucking level. Trust me. I don't know what else to tell y'all. My Instagram is Tinkerbell. Same with my TikTok. If anything y'all want me to do videos on, I'll be open to doing them. But yeah, hi, what's up? I'm Tink. Like my real name is Marty, by the way, but my nickname is Tink. And I just thought it'd be a cute little, So, but I just feel like this video for some reason is gonna blow up. If it doesn't, I don't care because I look cute regardless. So,
please rise for our national anthem.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say.
That's the end of the day. At the end of the day is going to end. For real. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Here's some clips. Why are you yapping so loud under me? Then I could have sworn I just heard a vacuum, but somebody saying, I don't know. What's not going on? My family's here. Hey, bud. Shut up.
Damn.
I have to get some good content in.
You what?
I had to get some good content in.
Martin. Be like, I'm tired.
Marky, wait. Marky. At the end of the day is gonna end. Oh my gosh. By the way, this is Tink signing off and signing the fuck back on once a new era.